Hey everyone, if you've noticed cracks in your walls, leaning chimneys, or doors that just won't close right, you might be dealing with foundation issues. Hi, I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're diving into how to spot foundation problems, what foundation repairs involve, and how much they might cost. Let's get started. Foundation problems can manifest in various ways. You might see cracks in your drywall or stucco, sloping floors, or even chimneys that seem to be pulling away from the house. These signs indicate that the foundation of your home may not be doing its job properly. So, what exactly are foundation repairs? At Dalinghaus Construction, we use methods like push piers and helical piers to address these issues. Let's break it down. Push piers are steel pipes driven deep into the ground until they reach stable soil or bedrock. Helical piers or helical piles are similar, but they have a helix-shaped end that screws into the ground like a big, huge screw. Both systems are designed to support and stabilize your foundation, bringing it back to level. These piers and piles are hot-dip galvanized, meaning they have a protective coating that prevents corrosion and extends their lifespan. It's a long-term solution to foundation problems. Now, you might be wondering, how do you know if you need foundation repairs? Here are some of the common symptoms. Leaning kitchen cabinets. Cabinets that lean or seem off balance could be a sign of foundation issues. Sloping floors. Even slight slopes in your floor can indicate problems with your foundation. Cracks. Look for cracks in drywall, stucco, concrete slabs, tile, or even chimneys. If you're not seeing these issues, you might not need repairs right away, but ignoring foundation problems can lead to bigger issues down the road. Here are some things you should avoid if you have foundation issues. Remodeling your home. Renovating before fixing your foundation means you'll likely end up with more damage to your new kitchen or bathroom. Selling your home. Selling a home with foundation problems limits your buyer pool and could drastically lower your offer price. Doing nothing. Ignoring the problem can lead to worsening issues and more expensive repairs in the future. Let's talk about costs. Foundation repairs vary depending on the type of underpinning used. Here's a rough breakdown for Southern California and Central Arizona. Push piers. $1,800 to $2,600 per pier. Helical piers, $2,100 to $3,000 per pier. Polyurethane injections, $150 to $180 per square foot. Keep in mind, there are also additional costs like permits and engineering fees. Permits can range anywhere from $750 all the way up to $3,500, while structural and geotechnical engineers might cost anywhere between $1,000 and $6,000. If you're concerned about foundation issues, don't wait. Click the link at the top right corner of our homepage or call us at 877-360-9227 for a free inspection. One of our project design specialists will be in touch within 48 hours to schedule your inspection. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand foundation issues and the repair process. For more information, check out our other videos and blogs. Remember, your home deserves to be perfect. Don't let foundation problems hold you back. Dalinghaus Construction, where we build solutions, not just structures.